Hi, at A&A Masonry, a lot of research has been done to find the right coatings to be able to apply to masonry products, concrete, brick, what have you, to make sure that they're protected, they look great, and last for a long time to come. At A&A Masonry, the searching out and formulation of special coatings to upgrade and protect the masonry products on exterior structures has been an undertaking to help homeowners get the longevity they desire on the external components of their property. In this video, you will see the work done to apply this particular solution to the customer's porch to protect the concrete and add a great aesthetic appeal that will stand the test of time for many years to come. A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. As you can see here, the porch was a stamped concrete porch. Stamped concrete is a form of decorative concrete that requires heavy stamps in texturizing mats that mimic the shapes and textures of other building materials like tile, wood planks, and natural stone slabs, etc. The downside of stamped concrete is that it will get damaged by ice. The freeze-thaw cycles are especially hard on stamped concrete and will cause cracks over time. De-icing salts are also a culprit, as it can also cause damage. Slippery when wet. Stamped concrete can be slippery, especially when it is wet. Slippery stamped concrete can be a safety concern. As the porch is structurally sound, the surface of the stamped concrete needs to be addressed to halt any more water damage. The first action to address the concrete is to grind down the surface to a smooth plane. This can help to maintain the flow of water to run off the porch instead of catching in porous areas or crater-like cavities, as these are inherent in this type of concrete design. The concrete grinding process removes blemishes like bumps, dips, cracks, scrapes, chips, warps, or any crumbling spots, which will worsen over time and ruin your surface if you neglect these imperfections before installing any type of coating. As you can see, this grinding process takes the time that it takes to fully smooth out the surfaces. In this case, it took a number of crew members quite some time to prep the surface to make it ready for applying the coating. The grinding continues until the whole surface of the porch is smooth and any cracks are sealed up. In this case, it makes the preps complete for the first layer of coating to be applied. As you can see, the concrete is now very, very smooth and free of any areas that can retain water, causing damage. Water management is not the only reason for the surface preparations. The grinding is also done to prepare the surface for the coating to penetrate for maximum adherence. The first layer or primer coating is applied. The crew work to get the coating onto the surface of the concrete by spreading it around on the concrete. They then use the roller to create a smooth flat surface with the coating evenly spread across the concrete. At this point, this primer coat needs to fully dry before the next layer of coating can be applied. As you can see, the surface of this porch is extremely smooth and will be ready for a second coat to be applied. With the second coat applied, a decorative polymer sand is also spread onto the coating. This durable quartz system provides heavy-duty protection on the porch that is just as striking as it is strong. The quartz sand blends can be available in a variety of colors to complement any environment. Most of these colors are also UV resistant. The finished surfaces are very non-porous and are low skid. They also provide great dirt and chemical protection. From here, the final coat is then applied. You can see the high gloss finish with the final coat applied that creates an extremely beautiful appearance to the porch. But not only does the aesthetic appearance look great, but also this porch is protected from water damage that will last for many, many years into the future. And here you can see the final appearance of the home some days after the work was completed. With a very happy homeowner in a much safer porch with a super improved appearance, this owner does not have to worry about any more cracks or degradation of the concrete, as well as a non-slippery skid-proof surface that will also be very secure and allow confidence for children and seniors using the steps and porch. The concrete on a porch or patio slab can show many signs of water-related problems. Some of these can develop into structural problems that can be severe enough to require demolition of the structure and to be rebuilt. If they're not that serious or extreme, other protective measures can be undertaken. If you start to notice these type of signs with your concrete, call the professionals at A&A Masonry. One of their specialists will come and assess the situation for you and direct you to the top option to protect your home and keep it safe and secure and looking great for all the years to come. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.